Maybe it comes out here, I don't know.
It comes out that way. There's a hut in there.
Warm.
It's gonna rain.
Looks like it, huh? There's a thunderstorm coming.
I wish there's
Every day now for a week.
not Nipa Hut.
Yeah,
That road going there is.
Guard shack thing. Used to be a guard there, maybe.
There you go, the converge.
Huh?
That's the Converge.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. They're still messing with the internet down.
How do you know it's Converge?
It says Converse on the side of the truck.
No. Fiber, huh? That's why it's no internet.
That's a different one.
There's no more
I
fruit.
don't think so.
That's why I picked the mango. When it drops. One time I was sitting there.
Nobody up here right
Yeah. Usually in the afternoon there's a lot of people here. Because they can charge their cell. Take a picture.
Coming upstairs.
I don't know how to explain. Why am I asking for?
It's beautiful up here.
Take the trail.
No, there's snakes here. There are actually snakes here, guys. Somewhere over there. Somewhere over here. Somewhere over there. There's a snakes here. So we're not going up. We're not going down. It's nice here. Let's go take this up. Oh, it's slippery. There's mommy and daddy. It's nice. Hey guys. So it's nice here, but over down there, if you go live there, over down, it's a lot of dog barking. Daddies don't like noisy because about the dog barking. So we should go over that way. So, but it's quiet and peace here. I love this place. You can actually charge here. Yeah, you can charge. So, I'm gonna take a picture.
Maybe there's a wedding or church. They have it. Little church every.
Oh, the Saturday evening saints or whatever.
Yeah.
That'll do. What is that?
Oh, they're decorating it. It's probably a wedding
Second.
or a party.
I can see the pool from here is empty. see the tiles. Why don't they clean the pool?
Let's go.
Be nice.
Dahan-dahan mo lang na ikot ng gano'n.
Yo.
Ang talo naman binigla.
Wow. House building.
Oh, it's a party.
Again, we're trying to party. What?
They're still decorating.
Sounds good. Oh, man, come on. Another shot. Only one. Here's another one. Here, another one. Look at that guy. This little guy. The pilot. There's nothing on it. See that trail? You can take that trail right back up there.
Yeah. Ate, saan ba kami pwedeng magtanong doon sa...
Yeah. This is like the old building, huh?
Yeah. They didn't even clean it.
It's just got rainwater in it. Hello.
Okay. Wow. It's so clean, huh? It's so clean. What a nice pool. It's so clean. Ooh la la. Oh, I think there's a fish.
Look at that frog.
Oh my god. Ew.
He died from its poison. It's so poisoned water. That's a big frog.
Yeah, actually.
God, what are they doing? This would be a nice pool to swim.
Yeah.
We could be down here swimming.
Perfectly.
Maybe we could talk to the homeowners and say, what are you doing? Why don't you clean the pool?
No, I think they don't have any much money to clean this. Yeah.
We got lots of houses in here
Yeah.
to pay fees.
Or I think they're waiting if someone said, hey, can you clean the pool? I will pay you, because I think they don't have any money to clean this. That's why they don't cleaning it now.
Be careful, don't fall in there.
No, I'm not. Oh my god. Ew.
Yeah, they need to fix this place.
Yeah.
That's too bad. I was thinking we might go swimming.
Wait, where's that? This is for the baby's pool.
Hot tub for the kiddie pool.
Ew, what's that? No, that's not snake. It's dirty. They didn't clean it yet. They didn't clean it.
Kind of disappointed.
It's super dirty.
Super duper dirty. They were cleaning it up. Dirty. Before.
Yeah. Mommy, they didn't clean it. No,
There's a dead frog floating in it.
there's a dead frog. Frog. Yep.
Floating on his back dead.
I think, Mommy, I know why they don't cleaning it.
Santal is coming.
Mommy, because I think they have no money to clean it.
No money.
Yeah.
This is an association. They have money. They have fun.
Yeah. Oh, what's
That's
that?
the santal leaves.
But look at the weird thing on it.
Yeah. They have those. It's present all the
It
time.
looks like poop.
Supposed to
Where are you going?
Coconut in that
be. Look at the coconut.
Coconut.
Fruits.
Nut. Ah, coconut.
Small, huh?
Those coconuts?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Sure, a weird color. Never seen them that color before. Huh. Strange world we live in. Hey, Shauna.
Yeah.
This is a strange, strange world we live right here in the Philippines. Why are we going to the basketball court? I don't know. Someone down here?
I thought we were vlogging.
Oh, I don't know. I thought you had to go meet somebody or something.
Meet somebody.
With the water.
Over there, I already went.
Basketball court. There's nobody playing today. There's somebody out here playing.
Look at the view, guys. Now. Oh, nice. Okay, let's run. I mean, walk fast. And sit. I'm tired.
Should have these everywhere.
The lady said that we used to have over there in that house. But somebody stole it.
We should be able to do another one.
I want to sleep more. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. So, okay, let's go faster. Cause I'm sleepy or what? Or my eyes is just, from the sun. I can't take this anymore. Let's just go, guys. Okay. Sorry if the phone is greasy. I need to run fast. I need water. Oh my god, oh my god. I can't. Okay. Quiet, because there's a dog. Okay. What the? Okay. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Little bit more. It's okay. You can do this. Okay. Run! There's a Tilindin to okay. I can see it. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my god. Okay. Hayate. Okay. Oh! Okay. I need to take a rest and close my eyes. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. I don't know where they go. I just go home now. I didn't tell them that I'm going first go home because I'm too tired. Okay. Oh, and the electric fan. Yeah. Face on me, face on me, face on me, face on me. Okay. Number 1. Oh my god. Look at that. Man, it's relaxing. Oh. One more thing. Water. I need to drink water. Okay, we need to drink water. Good thing there's a cold water. Okay. Sorry guys, I leave you. Sorry, mommy and daddy, I leave you because I really need to go home because I'm tired. I don't know why I'm tired. I just woke up and go for a walk. And actually, I woke up 7:39. Yeah, 7:39. And then I just, cell phone and I go back. I go downstairs at 8:29 and I just cook my breakfast. And mommy said, let's go for a walk. Tell your daddy. So I told to daddy that let's go for a walk. And I don't know that if as a long walk. I didn't mean to. Yes. Peace.